Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to completely uninstall Valorant from your PC. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, you want to completely close your Riot launcher, just like so. And then you want to go to your task manager. You can right click on your Windows key here and click Task Manager. Once it will open up, you want to go ahead and find Riot client and completely close this and the task basically. Also, you can search for some other, but that's pretty much it. After that, you want to go on search and write down installed apps. And once it will open up, you want to find Valorant, just like so, and you want to click uninstall right there. Once you will uninstall it, what you also need to do is delete the game files. So you need to go to your folders and click on local disk C. After that, you want to go ahead and locate Riot games right there and Valorant, and you want to go ahead and delete it, just like so. Now, another thing you need to do is go ahead and write down run, open this up, and you want to go ahead and write down local app data percentage, and click OK. Now this will pop up and you want to find Valorant right there. So you need to go ahead and delete this specific file completely, just like so. And that's pretty much it. Your Valorant was uninstalled from your PC completely. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.